Space Energy helps consumers manage their personal energy consumption, and Pop Studio offers small retailers the chance to employ applications for mobile devices that were previously only available to the biggest chains. Help You Apply does what it says on the tin. They help students apply for multiple internships by making it easier to complete the application forms online. Windows Phone Geek will offer a marketplace for application components, and Snapscope uses mobile devices to offer cheaper, more capable products for medical practitioners, such as endoscopes. 1 Minute Manuscript is a user-generated database of summaries for academic articles produced by research students. FirstPass will offer a discounted loyalty card product for students that can be used in a wide variety of outlets, not just a single chain. And Old Bold have an eye-catching marketing product that allows animated adverts to be displayed in the wheels of moving bikes.